Mandago has dismissed the 1.1 billion shillings Finland scholarship saga case, clearing former Uasin Gishu Governor and current Senator Jackson Mandago alongside former county officials Joshua Lelei and Meshack Rono. The three had been accused over the alleged loss of funds paid by parents under the county's overseas education program. Mike Chalo has more.
It is a major setback for more than 230 parents from Uasin Gishu County who claim to have lost over 1.1 billion in the Finland and Canada overseas education program after Senior Principal Magistrate Alois Ndege ruled that the prosecution had failed to present enough evidence against the accused.
It is my considered view that the prosecution failed to prove that there was a meeting of minds to constitute the offense of a conspiracy to commit a felony. The prosecution did not demonstrate that the accused were acting with another person or with each other with the common intention of stealing 1.1 billion from the trust account hearing.
Despite the prosecution calling 138 witnesses, the Nakuru court found that former Uasin Gishu Governor Jackson Mandago, former County Executive Committee member for Education Joshua Lelei, and former Chief Officer Meshack Rono had no case to answer.
I thus do hereby dismiss all the charges against the accused persons pursuant to the provision of Section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code and consequently acquit all of them of the offences of conspiracy to commit a felony, stealing, abuse of office and forgery. The
three had faced 10 criminal counts, including conspiracy to commit a felony, stealing, abuse of office and forgery, arising from the 2021-2022 rollout of the Uasin Gishu Overseas Education Trust Fund, which promised students opportunities to study in Finland and Canada.
The IO testified that
most parents paid between 900,000 and 1.4 million Kenya shillings to secure university placements abroad. However, many students never traveled, while some who did were unable to continue with their studies after tuition fees were allegedly not remitted to their institutions. Following the ruling, the parents have an option to appeal the decision or pursue civil proceedings seeking compensation. Speaking after the ruling, Uasin Gishu Senator Jackson Mandago described the program as having been politicized and urged the current county administration to revive it in order to enable more students access overseas education opportunities.
The politics of the program now is over. We want to urge the county government of Uasin Gishu, because that is a county program, to take responsibility and follow up and make sure that those parents are funded.
Mike Chalo, TV 47.